Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been another minute since I have filmed a video. Yeah, I know. But today I'm going to give you a makeup vanity tour as best as I can give it because it's not that organized. I will show you, you will see, but I'm working on that. I'm trying to find containers that I like the acrylic ones and stuff like that that are cheap. I don't want expensive things because makeup makes it messy. So this is a little tour of my desk. I will give you a top view. I will give you inside the drawers, what I've got. It's not going to be like full detailed, but I will show you exactly what each drawer I use. I won't show you every single piece of makeup, but I put a little poll on my Instagram and a lot of people voted yes that they wanted to see it, even though it's not completely finished. But since I have a good collection of makeup now, I figured I would share it with you guys. So I will be giving you guys a makeup vanity tour of my desk right here. So if you want to see what I've got inside my drawers, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so this is what my vanity looks like from afar. I have everything basically is from IKEA except the mirror. The tabletop is a separate piece, but that is from IKEA, and then I have the two Alex drawers on either side, and then the chair is also from IKEA. I will put everything down below listed of what I have. And then the mirror is from Impressions Vanity, and I am obsessed with my mirror. I love it so much. It is just perfect, and the lights that actually came with it were like a more like off-white, like a warm toned, like the, I forget what they call it. I think it's called the warm tone lights or something like that, but we got a cooler tone LED light, which makes it so much brighter and so much clearer, and I just love the way that it looks. So this is what my desk looks like, and then I will bring you closer up so you can see each individual thing that I have on the top of the desk and inside the drawers. Okay, so this is the left side of my desk, and I have a little dish here which basically holds my beauty blenders. I have a little clip in here for my hair. I have chapstick, a lip mask, and a little mirror for when I need to see like up close. I also use like the compact mirrors that come inside of like the bronzers and stuff, but I always keep one on the top of my desk as well. And then I have two little pineapples. The white one is a candle, and then that is just a decoration. The candle was a gift that I got from my grandma, and that was from Cracker Barrel actually, and then the pineapple is from TJ Maxx, I believe. And then in this little dish here, the cup is also from TJ Maxx, and I have my face brushes in here. I've got my bronzer brushes, my full face brushes, blush brushes, and highlights. The highlight brushes in here, like my big fan brush and stuff. So I keep my face brushes in that cup there, and then we will move to what is right in front of me, inside my mirror. And I've got all of my lipsticks that I use basically all the time. Like, these are my favorite lipsticks that I use all the time. I've got Huda Beauty, I've got the Dose of Colors lip gloss, Kat Von D, there's Anastasia Beverly Hills, some Bare Minerals, and then in the back I've got ColourPop. I've got a little mix of everything. And then over here are Lorac lipsticks as well. And I also have these Cover FX drops on here because I want to try them out. I just got them in my BoxyCharm, so I left it out for me to try. But this little acrylic container was either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I forget. But that's basically where I got the clear containers. So I keep my lipsticks for every day right there on the little lip of my mirror. And then, oh, this candle is amazing. Marshmallow Fireside from Bath & Body Works. Love it. And then this is more lipsticks, lip glosses, all inside here. I've got, that's from Marshalls, and I still have the tag on it. And I just keep the extra ones in there because I don't have enough organization in my drawers yet, so I figured I'd just leave them all in there and I can just easily grab them. And then right here, same thing. TJ Maxx or Marshalls, both these acrylic containers. I have all of my eye brushes and smaller face brushes that I didn't want to cram in with the bigger brushes. So those are all in there. I've got a little mix of everything. Like, a lot of my brushes are from my BoxyCharm because I have a monthly subscription to that. But I've got BH Cosmetics brushes, Morphe brushes, Sigma brushes. So those are all in there. And then I have like my eyebrow brushes here. Smaller little brushes I kind of stick in this middle one, and then I have eyebrow stuff in the last one. So that is what is on the top of that. And then down here in these little drawers, I have eyeliners and lip liners kind of mixed together because I don't have a lot of them. So I kind of just put them all together in there, and it's a little mixture of a bunch of them. So that's in that one. Then in here, oops, and in this one are both mascaras, but I couldn't fit them all in one, so they're in two separate ones. So I put those guys together in there. I've been loving this. This is the L'Oreal, the Lash Paradise one. It's kind of like the L'Oreal Voluminous, but it's a little bit different, but I've been really liking that one lately. So those are mascaras, and then in this last one, I just have a eye pencil sharpener, and then I have some liquid liners, just regular black, and then some colored ones from NYX that I stuck inside there. So that is what is on the right side of my desk. So this is what the top of my desk looks like. Okay, so the top drawer on the left of me, this is the drawer that I use most of my stuff in. This has, it's organized for what I can do right now. So like I have concealers all here, the Tarte Shape Tape, I've got some Sephora concealers, and then I have primers here. This one is amazing. Cover FX, the blurring primer. Got this in a BoxyCharm, and I'm obsessed with it. But I keep all my primers and concealers right here in front of me. And then in this one, I have like face powders. I've got like the Studio Fix powders, some bronzers in here, and some highlights. I've got those in this little container here. These are ones that I use basically all the time. And then right behind it, I have setting powders. I've got the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder in here. This one I've been loving lately. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. And then I've got my eyebrow stuff, the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and then some gel liners. Keep tape for a nice sharp eyeshadow line. I have some glue sticks back here. I've got lighter, just in case, don't know, for my candles or whatever else. So all that stuff is in this top drawer. Then we make our way to the second one. And in here, like I said, this is the best I can organize it. I have blushes, highlights, and bronzer palettes. So this is all that stuff that is in this drawer. I've got Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I love this palette. That is my go-to all the time. I've got ColourPop in here. I have the Amrezy highlight. This highlight is amazing. And then underneath here I have the glow kits as well. And then I have some more bronzing stuff back here along with highlights as well. This is the Tarte Pro Glow. Got more blush e.l.f. This is a blush palette. And then here are some loose blushes and highlights. So that is this drawer. Kind of kept all that stuff together. Then to go underneath there, I have my foundations and my setting sprays, primer sprays in here. I don't have acrylic containers for these. I have to buy them. I've seen a lot of people get them from the Container Store, stuff like that. I'm going to check like my local dollar store to see if they have any cheaper ones. I just haven't found ones that are cheap enough yet, and I don't want to buy crazy expensive ones. But here are all of my foundations. I've got darker tone ones for when I'm tan, and then I've got my really fair ones as well for when I am pasty white like I am right now. This is my favorite foundation. Love it. So that is where I keep my foundations. Oh, and I have, which is my new favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I have it in here because it was too bulky for my top drawer. So that is what is in my third drawer. Fourth drawer is kind of junk. I will just quickly show it to you if I can get to it. It's just cell phone stuff and sunglasses. I kind of just have junk thrown in there. And then the bottom drawer is, I've got like backdrops and like little curtains, things that I used for videos. Then we will make our way to the right side. Okay, so this is the right side of my desk, and in this top drawer here, which I love this drawer, this is all of my eyeshadow palettes. I have them kind of in size order, smallest to biggest, and then I have some other ones back there that would not stand up. And then I have smaller palettes and individual eyeshadows here. So I've got ColourPop, I have more BoxyCharm eyeshadow palettes. Then I have Urban Decay, ColourPop. Here I have Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vaults Collection palette. I've got Too Faced, some Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've got the Soft Glam, the Prism palette, Modern Renaissance, and then this is my favorite palette right now. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I have that one here. And then some individual eyeshadows in this little magnetic palette holder there. And yeah, that's basically it for this drawer. So these are all of my eyeshadow palettes here. And in the second drawer I have some hair ties, bobby pins. I have more Morphe palettes. This is the 35B palette, which I use more so for Halloween looks. So I kind of keep that one in here. That's like a bunch of colors. This little guy here, well, not really little, it's big. This is from my friend Brittany. For Christmas she got me. It's got a bunch of eyeshadows. It has a bunch of powders like bronzers, setting powders. It even has lipsticks in there, eyeliners. It's got a bunch of stuff in there, and I love using this. I use this for Halloween as well because it's got a lot of different colors. And then I have some other little products here. This has like a little nail file in it, some tweezer stuff, and this holds some smaller brushes and some more rhinestone stuff back there. So this is kind of like miscellaneous, and some lashes. So that is in my second drawer. Oh, hello. Do you want to say hello to everyone? Look at the cute face. Mommy loves you. Okay, so back to the video. This is some brush cleaner stuff. Sigma Beauty. This is the brush stand. This is the mat that I use to clean the brushes with. The cleaner. And then I have some face masks, some eye masks, and lip masks in here. I don't have acrylic containers for them, so I kind of just laid them in here. And then this drawer here is basically like a junk drawer also. This is makeup that I'm not using, so I'm going to give it to my mom, my sister, whoever. I'm going to give it to them because I'm not using it anymore, but it's still good makeup. I have a wig, and then I have some letters that I got from Dan from his basic training when he was going through that. So that kind of is just a miscellaneous drawer as well. And then my bottom drawer is all of my electronics. My GoPro's in there, my extra lenses, wires, and stuff like that I use for filming and whatever else. I've got some headphones in there. But yeah, this is just a electronic drawer that looks like crap. So that is it for my drawers. I will give you guys an overview of everything once more. Okay, so that is it for my makeup vanity desk tour, whatever you guys want to call it. I call it my makeup vanity. But, so that is it for what I have in my drawers. Leave me some comments below on what you guys use to organize them. I want cheap things, so just let me know what you guys use to organize your makeup desks with, and I will research them. But anything that I explained, like container-wise, that I do have, and the things that I got, where I got my desk and everything, I will link it below. I'll put like the little links of where I got everything. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will probably make a more in-depth video when I have it organized and more set up. I might do like a whole like this side of the room tour. Like I said, it's in my spare bedroom, so I just kind of have my own little corner. Do you want to say hi? This is my baby. Bear, say hi. Say hi to the people. No? Okay, go back down. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will probably have more videos soon. I want to do different stuff, not just makeup anymore. Now that I have my own house. I love decor and things like that, so I'm probably gonna show you guys some Christmas stuff. So if you want to see some more stuff, then stay tuned. Hopefully I can get more things up now. Now I have a job, so I don't have as much time to film, but I want to change my channel up a little bit and not just makeup. Like, I want to do home stuff, things like that, and like little tour things like this. I might give you guys a tour of my house, maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.